So BirdLife has been involved in compiling information on the world's birds and assessing their extinction risk ever since this work began. Since the 1980s, BirdLife has had a dedicated team assessing the extinction risk of the world's birds.
We analyse data on birds to look at the state of the world's bird population, the pressures they face, and the responses, the conservation actions that are underway to protect them.
So nature is declining at rates that are unprecedented in human history. From genes to species to ecosystems, we're unravelling the very fabric of life.
It doesn't just reveal the scale and severity of the biodiversity crisis, but it also tells us what we need to do about it. It tells us those species that most urgently need our help, those sites that most urgently need protection. And because of our science, there are many species that have been saved from extinction, and many of the most important places for biodiversity around the world have been identified and protected.